Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to track down a phone number, username and IP addresses using one single tool. It is totally free. So first of all, what we are going to do is to update and upgrade our terminal. And it doesn't matter if you are on Windows, Linux or Termux, the command is still the same. When you do run it, just wait for a few minutes because the tool take a little bit time depending on your network, but it's always like around 2-3 minutes. Okay, after that we're going to install Python and Git. Python because the tool is written in Python, and Git because we're going to git clone our specific repo from GitHub. Both are already installed in my machine. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So okay, clear, great. Now let's take a look at the tool, about the documentation and what the tool does. Okay, let me GitHub. Okay, so in here you can read about the tool, the documentation, what the tool does, and the limitation as well. So just go on the account, that's it, the name is Falcon, everything. Okay, now let's go a git clone the tool into our machine. So git clone, I already know the URL in my head, but I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can just copy paste it. Raven /falcon.git. Okay, now wait for installation to be complete. Right, now let's move into the new folder, cd Falcon. Okay, now let's see what we got here. First, what you need to notice that I already had the tool already installed back then before I deleted it to make these videos. So I already have the virtual environment installed, so I'm just going to run it. But if it doesn't show up on your machine, all you have to do is to just create a new virtual environment, and then inside that virtual environment you are going to install the requirement packages. So pip install our requirement.txt. Personally I already installed all the requirements, so but if it's not the case on your place, just do the same process and install it manually. Okay, so now let's try one example. I'm going to track down a phone number, so falcon.py. Let's go over phone number, so it's -p, and I'm going to try a random number. I have one I saved. Let me, here it is, so let me just copy. Okay, now I'm just going to paste it, as we're going to track this random phone number. I don't know to who this number belongs to, but let's just find out. Let's run it and see what we got here. Great, seems like the phone number is valid. JB, the country code 44, region London. I don't have the courier, but it's already a good information. I have the file saved into the report folder, so I can have access to the location, which means the latitude and latitude. Let's try with another example. For I'm going to try with IP addresses. Okay, I'm going to use public IP addresses because there is actually illegal to track down people addresses without permission. So I'm just going to use this public URL is public link. So let's go run the tool. Oh, my bad, I forgot the argument to mention is actually IP addresses. So let's try again in hyphen. Alright, okay, seems like we got everything. I got the IP, I got the city, I got the region, I got the country, and the lock as well, which is the longitude and latitude. Great, now let's actually access the report folder and see what we got already so far. Okay, don't mind the first file because this while I was testing the tool, I already was trying some log and all. So as you can see, we got the IP report and the phone report, which we just did earlier in the videos. So let me try to read those files. First file here, the HTML file. I'm going to read it. You can open it in your browser if you want. It doesn't matter. It's just going to give a better view, but I just wanted to open it in here for just because. Okay, as you can, everything is there. Everything about the place, the nearest location, and the longitude and latitude about this country, and the phone number as well. So now I'm going to try something else. Let me actually wait. So okay, let's try again. Let's try to read another file. So ls. So let's see, cat. Let's read this phone number as well. Let's see what we got here. Great. I got the report because it's random everything. Okay. It actually gives me everything mapped out, everything listed out. So now I'm going to go have another example, tracking down a username as well. So let's go of Python falcon.py username. So you go for hyphen 6 blocks for. I'm going to try about my own username just because. Well, yes, just because. And let's see. Right, seemed like I was found on 2 social media, GitHub and Steam as well, because that's where I actually linked my account with that name. I didn't actually update it yet, but it's actually good. Now you can see the tool is working fine. You can go and try it out yourself. And if you want to read more about the tool or the upcoming update, you can just go open the GitHub, read about it. There is the documentation, how to use the tool, what the limitations are, and everything. You can just read it, like, because everything is simple. And just be cautious, please. Use it in an ethical way. It's totally illegal to track down people without authorization. Thank you for watching. See you next time for another videos.